Hi, I'm Patty, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I like to talk about food, body, weight, and eating and how it interacts with your inner dialogue and your habits of thinking. And I work with people as a mindset coach, a dietitian. I've been in the health industry for 20 years, and I'm happy that you're here. Today, I'm just going to help you define what is diet culture, what is eating disorders, what is disordered eating. I've done that before, and that was really popular. And so just a fresh take on what that is. Diet culture can sometimes be manipulating your body for an outcome and going against your intuition. And sometimes it's not necessarily a bad thing or a good thing. It's really what's the intention behind it. If you're changing your body to then accept yourself when you get to this end destination, it's this inner dialogue of I'm never good enough. And so if I can change or if I can get to this destination, then I'll be good. It's this hungry ghost that you'll never get there. And so diet culture facilitates that, is lose 50 pounds and then you'll feel amazing, which sometimes if you lose 50 pounds, people do feel better. But there's a really fine line between lose 50 pounds and then you'll be amazing. You are already amazing because you're a human. And so losing 50 pounds doesn't make you any less or more amazing. You might be changing the outer part of yourself, but the inner part will also, you're going to want to pay attention to as well. It's really hard to not change the inner part. I'm going to rephrase that. It's really hard to change the outer part of your body. And then if you don't change the inner, the outer part's going to kind of always feel not good enough. And so true transformation, true weight loss, true weight gain, whatever you want it to be, you're going to want to pay attention to your conscious stream of thought, your subconscious stream of thought, any sort of attachment wounds, trauma, all that stuff really matters if you're looking for true transformation. And if you're not looking for that and you want to do something where it's just concerning, your outer part, go for it. I'm looking for the people that really want true transformation and really want to understand their story and what's happened to them or how they want to move forward and how they want to lean into inner habits of thought. Because if you can shift those things, you'll start to understand your story a bit more. You'll start to understand maybe why you're stuck or how you're stuck or what is stuck actually. And I love this arena. I love coaching. I love mindset work. I love health. I love working with disordered eating because it really is a brain-based illness. It really comes to how you view your world and your heart and your body and your mind. And I love being in this space with people. Eating disorders can be clinical in nature where you do need a treatment team. And it can be a clinical diagnosis, but you also can live in the land of I don't have a clinical disorder, but I do experience disordered eating. And so in that sense, I work with a lot of people in the land of coaching where it's not clinical in nature, which I can do, but the disordered eating is more of a coaching space where you don't necessarily need medical intervention through registered dietitians or licensed practitioners. I just want someone in my space to understand my story, that I really do struggle with shame, with food and body and weight, and I still want to take steps forward. And so hopefully this helps kind of figure out the difference. Sometimes this language is hard and a lot of jargon. And if this interests you, follow along, like and subscribe, and thank you for being here. Okay, bye.